Hi, I'm Zach with Josh's Frogs. Considering UVB needs for your reptiles or amphibians can be tricky, so when you're planning out what UVB bulbs you're after, here's 4 things to keep in mind to help yourself make a better educated decision for you and for your pet. 1. All UVB sources degrade over time. As the bulb degrades, visible light output can remain the same, or more so, but UVB production will begin to drop off as soon as the bulb is first turned on. Once the bulb runs for a certain length of time, the UVB produces may be too low to meet the needs of your pet reptile or amphibian. At this point, the bulb is serving no purpose other than providing visible light and must be replaced for the health and well-being of your pet. The rate at which bulbs degrade over time depends greatly on the type of bulb and how long the bulb is being used per day, but will also vary among individual bulbs. For this reason, Josh's Frogs strongly recommends monitoring the UVB output of your bulb with a UV meter. A great one that's currently the standard for reptile hobbyists in the industry is the Solar Meter 6.2. In general, linear and compact fluorescent bulbs need to be replaced about every 6 months, whereas mercury vapor bulbs can go for about a year, and metal halide bulbs possibly up to 2 years. Number 2. As the distance between your pet and the UVB bulb increases, usable UVB radiation decreases rapidly. Most bulbs provide UV levels and readings at a recommended minimum distance from the bulb. Generally about 8 to 12 inches for linear or compact fluorescent lighting and 12 inches or more for mercury vapor or metal halide UV bulbs. Make sure to consult the specific manufacturer's recommendations, often found on packaging material or in a manual or guide found in the box, when deciding which bulb to use, and take into consideration the distance between the bulb and your pet reptile before you choose a UVB bulb. 3. Glass and plexi or acrylic blocks UVB rays. Plain and simple. If you're using a glass top on your terrarium or vivarium and you expect your animal to receive any UV benefit via sunlight filtered through a window, you are sorely mistaken. If there is any glass or acrylic plexiglass between your UVB source and your animal, your pet is not receiving any benefit from the UVB bulb. Some exceptions exist, such as Starfire, which is low lead glass, or Solacryl, a UVB permeable acrylic. But these products are expensive and need to be replaced regularly as they will become clouded over time. 4. Screen can significantly reduce the amount of UVB available to your pet reptile or amphibian. Generally, the closer or more dense the mesh, the less UVB passes through the screen. Use as large a mesh size as possible when selecting a screen top or enclosure for your pet. While most UVB sources report their UVB output at a certain distance, this reading is often taken with nothing between the bulb and the UVB meter. Check out joshsfrogs.com for great prices, customer service, and same-day shipping on a wide variety of different brands of UVB sources for your pet reptiles or amphibians.